Hi, I'm Ollie Parsons and Head of Client Services here at See It Now. Welcome to this week's edition of How to See It Now, where I'm going to talk about business efficiency in the workshop. There are lots of challenges that automotive retailers face in the after-sales environment today. Profitability, customer retention, capacity in the workshop, retail growth, and of course, customer satisfaction. From customer drop-off to the time they come to collect the vehicle, there are some valuable tips, some simple tips that can make a really big difference. When the customer checks in first thing, positioning that they're going to receive a See It Now video is critical. Tell them why they're going to receive that video and what to expect when it comes through. Confirm the actual details that they're going to be available on that day, the telephone number and the email address. Remember, customers have 2 email addresses in many cases. You don't want the marketing one. Simply asking the customer to program the telephone number of your business into their mobile number can make a big difference. If we receive a call during the day from a number we know, particularly if it's to do with the customer's car, they're much more likely to answer that call and respond to anything that you're asking them. If it's an unidentified number, chances are they'll reject it and call you back later, adding a lot of time. Workshop loading is another critical piece. It sounds really simple, but so often it's overlooked. Make sure the cars you're loading into your workshop first thing in the morning are the cars most likely to require that additional work. The faster you can get the EVHC out to the customer, explaining the work required on their car, the earlier in the day, that means you're more likely to get that work approved and you can get that work done on the day the vehicle's in with you, rather than having to rebook for a second visit. Again, the quicker you get that approval, the less time the technicians are going to have to waste moving vehicles. If they haven't got the approval, they need to get that ramp efficient. They need to take the car off the ramp, put it back in the car park, finding a space, finding the next vehicle, and so on, and wastes valuable time in the process. See It Now integrates with most of the major EVHC providers, enabling it to seamlessly fit in with your workshop systems and processes. We also have automatic number plate recognition, which not only helps make the process easier, but also removes the potential for keying errors and makes that whole process much slicker. SMS tends to receive quicker and higher response rates. Sharing a video via email and SMS combined can improve watch rates by as much as 30%. But that's not all. It actually means that customers on average watch the video 75% more quickly than just by email alone. That can really help with workshop efficiency and get those approvals through much more quickly. There are lots of ways to convert more work. We have the option for customers to apply for finance directly from the video presentation page, and we also have an automatic Amber follow-up. Ensures opportunities are not missed, allowing service advisors to schedule automated reminders and prompting follow-up when the customer has watched the recent video. Small changes to process, adoption of some of the best practice ideas that we can share can significantly impact workshop efficiency. Saving a few minutes on entering customer details, reducing vehicle movements, they may seem like small time savings in isolation, but add them up over the course of the day and by the number of technicians, you can see how very quickly they can make a huge impact to the workshop capacity and obviously then on to customer lead times. So in summary, tell the customer to expect a video. It's really important that they know why they're going to get that video, so when it does come through, they're much more inclined to watch it quickly and get back to you, hopefully to approve any work that you've identified. Ask them to program your number in, again for the same reason. They're going to be that bit quicker to respond to your call. And of course, pay attention to workshop loading. Get those vehicles that are likely to need more work done in first, get the video out and allow more time for approval and to get that work done. These simple things can make huge impact to the efficiency of your workshop and help with many of those challenges we mentioned at the beginning of the video. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. We're releasing new videos every week, so subscribe to our channel to make sure you see all the latest content.